Yo, welcome back. I want to give you guys an update on the smart car, both of them, the blue one and my silver one. So we got the blue one back together. We did some tests on it. It was, every time we did anything, it was late at night, like super late, and well, we couldn't. I didn't film. I didn't film because it was extremely hot and we were trying to get stuff done super late at night, because in the daytime we couldn't be in here. It was just unbearable. But let me show you some of the little stuff that we have already. So we picked up some wheels for the lifted blue smart car. That's 3 of them over there, one here. And let me show you what we got done so far on mine. So we had to rebuild the head, so everything is cleaned and redone. Some of the plugs are there. We still have to put most of it back together. It's kind of dark in there, but that's some of the parts. All that stuff over there, stuff down there, wires. We're gonna try to get this one started today. We're gonna try. I got more parts and everything over there to try to get it started. We just have to do the belts, some more wiring, spark plugs, you know, the usual wear items, oil filter and all that good stuff. So we're gonna get started on that, and I will bring it back up to you guys when we start putting stuff back together and try to get it started. All right, so we got the smart car all back together. I do have to finish up putting some more parts on it, like the belly pan. So I just have that, and we did able to get it started. It is running a little rough. I don't believe it's the timing or anything like that. It may be injector problems because this car's been sitting for a very long time. So I might end up, I have another set of injectors. I might just do that. Also, I noticed one of the clips is broken on it. So I'm thinking that maybe that clip is coming out when I start the car and it causing a miss. But we're gonna check that out. But what I wanna do first is get that belly pan back on. All right, so this is underneath. It's supposed to, I believe, bolt to there, and I think some more of the spots. I guess on the sides, it's a couple more spots. When I got the car, it was nothing but zip ties holding it on. But other than that, this is the engine. I did put new oil in it a couple times. Also replaced the, I don't know what it's called, transmission oil. It has like a gear and oil in it. So let's go ahead and throw this on real quick. All right, so we got the belly pan on, but I need to climb up here on the lift and start the car so you guys can hear how it sounds. So the key is down here. You just turn it on like that and just hold it, and it'll start right on up. And she's running, but to me it seems like it's a miss. So I'm gonna check the injector. Nope, so that's working just fine. Let's get this one off. Can't get them off of this. That's that little pump over there. It's like an evac pump or something. I guess they are all right. I don't think I feel the need to replace them, because it ran bad like that just on, you know, one that was messed, you know, when I unplugged it. So I think it's fine. I'm just probably being paranoid. You really can't tell how bad it's shaking. Let me see if I can. If you guys, that's how I got the camera on the engine, so that's how bad it's shaking. When I take it off, it's like that. Back on. So I think it's okay. I mean, it's fairly quiet. I don't have an air box. This has a 90-degree elbow that goes in here, but it's not the kind that, it was just a flex pipe and it's just broken all to pieces. So I'll have to do something about this, like maybe make some kind of cold air intake or something. So I'm gonna go ahead and just cover this back on up like that. It's supposed to have a screw here, but we going in and out of it so much, I don't feel the need it needs to have that. So I'm just gonna close that back down. Let's see here. And that is it. Close this and close the top. Just go ahead and jump back down. As in each cluster, I do have a airbag light on. The tire light, yeah, I need new tires bad. One is that they're super low, and I also need to change the air filter of the what is this? The cabin air temperature switch. Put that in park, turn it off, and let's see, the cabin air filter, I believe it's behind the front auxiliary pedal. The gas pedal is what they call it. Yeah, it's that box there. So let's go ahead and maybe replace that while I'm here. Let's see. I guess it's just a release or something here. How does this thing come out of here? There we go. Ooh, that joker look like it ain't never been replaced. I'm pretty sure it probably haven't. All kind of stuff falling out of it. Let's see. Yeah, she's due for a replacement. Going to throw that down in there. Let's get a new one out here. Take the plastic off. Now these are directional, so you have to put them in. All cars is directional. Let's see. That doesn't. Oh yeah, it does. Airflow. So the arrow is pointing down. So if the arrow is pointing down, it needs to go into the car. So, actually, it looks like something is in there. A whole bunch of trash. Let me see if I could find something to get that out of there. All right, so I don't have a vacuum or nothing. So what I'm gonna do is just stick this rag in there and see if I could pull out some more stuff. Oh, it wasn't that much. All right. I could vacuum all that out later. Where's my, let's see, airflow that way. That joker in there. Get this out of the way. And that's all a shebang bang. And I also want to take a look at the fuses here. I mean, not the fuses, but the relay. And it's supposed to be, uh-oh. I don't think I'm supposed to open it. All right, so it's hotter than a few bleeps in here. So that's pretty much it on the smart car. It's pretty much done as far as I want to do. For now, I just got to get tires, so I'm not worried about that at this time. Now the smart car, she's done. Even got the lift kit again. Scott is waiting on wheels, tires as well. Now we did pick up some other wheels, but I don't know if he's gonna. I'm not sure what he's gonna do about the wheels, because we did get that set that's over there. Let me show you. That's over there. Adapters drill for it. So I think he has that. I'm not sure. He'd probably do it sometime week after next. Other than that, that's it. If anybody wanted to see the GTO, that's it. That's the one I just painted, and this is the GTO. Yeah, she's a little dirty. She just need a wash and cut and buff. So I might do that one day. Just get it all cleaned up and get the headlights cleaned up so she'll look absolutely perfect. Other than that, that's it for the smart car. And if anything else goes on, I'll probably post it. I do have another video with the Element. Stay tuned for that. I have it's just like a little bit of upgrade. It's nothing like anything crazy at all. So other than that, please comment, like, subscribe. Until then, see you guys later.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, go.